Alright guys, here in the garage. Getting some stuff cleaned up. So this is the rest of the toolbox tour. I got everything set up. So here we go. Deep and shallow, 3/4 inch sockets, 12 point, snap on 1/2 inch torque wrench, deep and shallow, metric standard, spark plug sockets, metric standard Allens, wheel lock socket, junk drawer, miscellaneous junk, more junk, screwdriver drawer, nothing crazy. We got metric standard ratcheting wrenches, more wrenches, extensions, snap-on ratchets, Craftsman ratchet, Kobalt ratchet, 1/4, 3/8, half, swivels, more extensions, adapters, long Mac extension, Mac limited edition, gold extensions, because why not? Don't use them though, just look pretty. 1/4 metric standard deep shallow 6-point extractors, smaller Allens, snap-on adapters. Then we got 12 point standard, 12 point standard deep, 12 point standard 8-point big socket, metric 12 point, and then 6-point 3/8 standard deep. Couple this is a full set of 12-point miscellaneous sockets, 1/2 inch. So half a set of standard 12-point sockets, 1/2 inch. Some deep 12-point or deep standard 1/2 inch sockets. Some bits that came in that Craftsman set. Some Allens came with it. 2 Bosch drill kits. A couple sets of Allens and stars. Swivel socket, metric, shallow, snap-on. Pliers drawer. A couple of the new sets that I got was these Kobalts, tiny rigid pipe wrenches, another old pipe wrench, some pliers, regular pliers, some little tiny weird joint pliers, little tiny slip joint pliers, new Irwin adjustable pliers, push button, a couple sets of needle nose, side cutters, Harbor Freight, slip joint pliers, snips, side cutters, more regular pliers, polishing pads for the DA, soldering kit, drill bits, random kind of weird stuff, power ball, protractor, hydrometer, handle for my boat motor, some wood carving stuff, cotter pins, hex, some cleaning stuff, a couple sawzall blades, files, brushes, vacuum bang, hand metal saw, drill, screwdriver, hand brace, fuel pressure tester, hammer drawer, 2 sludges, rubber maul, framing hammer, chisels, punches, more brushes, Milwaukee 1/4 inch impact, 3/8 ratchet, 2 sets of Kobalt sockets, Ingersoll Rand. And the last drawer we got the DeWalt drill impact, Sawzall, DA, work light, random orbital sander, metric standard Allens. That's about it. Gonna have some videos going on building custom brush guard with on a mud mower. Probably welding the rear too, maybe pulley swap. So that'll be pretty cool. All right, guys, take it easy. See you later.